Is the market on crack, meth, or Fed money? I guess we'll know tomorrow. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Update for Tuesday, the 6th of October, and the rally just keeps on going. The only difference today from yesterday is today we're participating in the rally, and we're able to reverse at lower prices this morning, except for the NASDAQ, which we're still short, and of course it's still down. So that's a good thing. A little bit better today than yesterday, but at the end of the day, is the Fed have some special announcement lined up for tomorrow as they have their meeting? The whole market does not logically make sense. We're not here to make sense. We're not trying to tell you one thing or the other. It seems to me that they are pricing in something that cannot be achieved. We're long, so I'm with it. Let it keep going. But at the end of the day, something doesn't smell right. Something doesn't look right. And at the end of the day, we'll have to see how it all plays out, or as they say, how it comes out in the wash. In the meantime, the metals have been very volatile, but lower now. Gold has been on both sides of unchanged. Silver and platinum have basically been slightly lower the whole morning. Platinum down a little bit more. But gold has just turned negative as we talk now. And, again, we'll see. We're still short, not going to change. Crude is once again spiking, which, again, that has to have something to do with this whole free money environment that is coming out tomorrow. I mean, you look at the pricing, you look at the way things are going, and that's indicating there's some major item coming out. And all I can really think of is that the Fed is going to get involved because we know the left is not going to allow the country to open, so that can't be the enthusiasm. So we'll see. We'll see what it looks like, after the announcement. In the meantime, we are where we are. Bonds and notes continue to get wrecked. And again, this is what we're looking at. This is what tells us, something is going on. Net gas is a little bit higher again. Copper is a little bit lower, but it's been on both sides of unchanged. So by the time you get this, it might be higher again. We're still short. We're short both. And the dollar is, again, a little bit lower, but kind of finding some stability here. But this is all part of the Fed as well. The dollar and the bonds are very much related to what the Fed is going to do. So, again, we will continue to watch and see what happens, but we have our positions. We're long dollars, and that's what it is. And when you look at the agricultural space today, well, look at the grains are exploding higher. As we said yesterday on RFD TV, it looked like another buying opportunity. Unfortunately, we're still short soybeans, which I assure you that will be changing tomorrow if they stay up here. But of course, we are long wheat, we are long corn, and again, I look for continued higher prices to run here. The meats are a little bit mixed. Feeder cattle is a little bit lower, certainly probably with regards to the price of corn right now. Fat cattle or live cattle is a little bit higher. Hogs are up about $1.50, and they look great. I think they're trying to break to the upside again. They may fail here, but again, we're still long, and we'll continue to be there. When we look at the softs, cotton is higher, OJ is higher, coffee is a touch higher, sugar is higher, and cocoa is lower. And of course, our positions have not changed. We're long everything but cocoa and OJ. And we'll see what they work out from. Again, I don't watch those as actively, but I'm happy to try to update you here when I do the Bubba's Daily Update. And also remember, of course, our relationship with family farms. And right now we're in the middle of planning a potential, doing some seminars in Iowa, Kansas, and Nebraska. If you get any interest in seeing me live in a seminar, please let me know. Just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. And, our brokerage partners, as I like to tell you, they are second to none. And of course, I also have to tell you that I do have other brokerage accounts. But when it comes to CTG for commodities and futures, like I said, they do a terrific job. They're the only ones who are authorized to do my letter of direction trading. They do the trading for me. They executed all the trades this morning for me, just like they were supposed to. And of course, they do just such a good job. Plus a new product coming out, which we're happy to help them introduce and trade here for equities and options. They do a tremendous job, but the simple answer there is $10 a month. I mean, how can you beat that? And there'll be a special webinar, actually, I'll be with called their Options Brew from Tradier. So I'm looking forward to that. That'll be October 21st. And if you'd like to get a link for that, just let me know. I'll be happy to get one out to you. And, of course, the commodity report, Andy, the quarterlies are out, and they're phenomenal. I urge you to check it out. There will be some major changes made, which will raise the price. However, for today, it's $100 a month, $800 a year. It's called Technomental. Go to BUBBATrading.com and you can check it out. Our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading as we rebuild our high school program. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. And of course, last night we had, who did we have last night? There were two rotten games, but we took, I believe, the Packers and the Green Bay, the Packers and the Chiefs, and they both managed to cover, but they were very small wagers. We're not really interested in getting involved in those type of games. And of course, we got some baseball today, 4 games, exciting day. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.